In this tutorial, you're going to explore the world of GPTs, custom AI assistants, and learn how to create one that's perfectly specialized for your needs. Maybe you've heard of ChatGPT before. Maybe you've even asked it a few questions. But today, we're going a step further. You'll not only learn how to use ChatGPT smarter, you'll also learn how to build a version of it that works exactly the way you want. This guide is designed for complete beginners, no technical background needed, and I'll explain everything in plain, simple language. When you're done, you'll have confidence in using ChatGPT along with other AI tools, and we'll even build a personal meal planner along the way. Here's what you'll need to follow along. A free ChatGPT account. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry. I'll show you how to set it up if you need it. Some features, like web browsing or advanced tools, are available if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, but everything we're doing today works perfectly with the free version. You can decide what works best for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be much more confident using AI, and you'll have your own personalized assistant ready to go. This is no fluff, just learning. Let's go. Before we start building, let's quickly cover what a GPT is in plain English. A GPT is a type of artificial intelligence. It's trained to understand language, answer questions, and help you create things like writing, planning, brainstorming, coding, and more. Think of it like a really smart assistant you can chat with. You type a question, and it builds an answer in real time. It's not just pulling info from a database like a search engine would. The name GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Here's the simple version. Generative means it creates something new. It doesn't just pull answers from a database. Pre-trained means it already spent months learning from books, articles, and conversations, so it knows how language works. Transformer is the type of AI model it uses. And don't worry about the word transformer. It just means the AI doesn't look at one word at a time. It looks at the whole sentence, the conversation before it, and the big picture to understand what you really mean. Knowing this much already puts you ahead of most people using AI today. You're not just typing, you're learning how the system really works. That's all you need to know about that for now. Let's keep moving. Next up, let's get hands-on and use a GPT. Now that you understand what a GPT is, let's actually use one. We're going to explore a real working GPT and ask it a question. So go back to your ChatGPT home screen. On the left-hand side, click Explore GPTs. That'll take you to a gallery of custom GPTs, all built for different things. Some write bedtime stories, some help you learn a language, some are just for fun. But we're going to use one that's actually useful. In the search bar at the top, type Fitness, Workout, and Diet, PhD Coach. You'll see a GPT made by a certified coach. It gives you workout tips, beginner routines, and simple diet suggestions. Click it. Pause the video while you do it. I'll wait. You'll see this pop up. Have a look at some of the conversation starters that this GPT specializes in. Click on Start Chat. You'll see a welcome message and a familiar-looking chat window. Now type this. Give me a 15-minute beginner workout I can do at home with no equipment. Go ahead and pause again so you can type. Let it answer. Read what it gives you. It'll probably suggest a mix of stretching, bodyweight moves, maybe a short cool down. All simple, all realistic. You can even follow up with, can you adjust this if I have knee pain? Or what if I only have 10 minutes? And it'll adapt. That's the power of it. It listens and it adjusts. Now you're not just using AI to ask random questions. You're using it to actually improve your life. And that's the shift that most people never make. Let's keep going. You've tried other people's GPTs. Now it's time to make your own. If you're not already there, open Explore GPTs. Then look for the Create button. It's usually near the top of the screen. Click it to begin. You'll see a setup screen with a simple question. What would you like to make? Let's say, I want a GPT that helps me plan weekly meals and make grocery lists. It should support different diets and be easy to use. Go ahead and pause while you type that in. You're not building an app. You're just describing what you want, and ChatGPT starts building it for you. Next, it suggests a name. How about Meal Planner Pro? You can go with that or make your own. Let's call this one Smart Meal Coach. Go ahead and pause the video while you type that in. Then it shows a profile picture. You can change it or leave it as is. It doesn't affect how your GPT works. Click the Create button. Now it'll ask who you want to share it with. Keep it simple for now. Set it to Only Me. That keeps your GPT private while you test it out. Then hit Save. You'll get a link you can copy, but you don't need to share it yet. Just click View GPT. You'll see it open, ready to go. And here's the cool part. Your GPT, Smart Meal Coach, now shows up in your sidebar. So anytime you want to use it again, it's right there. Try asking, "Can you give me a healthy dinner plan for this week, including a grocery list?" Go ahead and pause while you type that in. It responds right away, asking smart questions about your diet, your budget, how many people you're cooking for. And if you're wondering, why make your own GPT instead of just chatting with regular ChatGPT? Because this one remembers. It already knows what it's built for. It knows the tone, the format, the kinds of answers you want. You don't have to explain it every time. It's like saving your favorite expert and making them available with one click. And yes, you can train it with even more knowledge. We'll get to that in the next step. You didn't just use ChatGPT, you made something with it. Be sure to watch the next video to continue the journey. Or go back and watch any you might have missed. See you then. You've built your GPT. Now it's time to make it smarter and more helpful. At the top of your GPT screen, tap the little arrow next to its name. Then choose Edit GPT. You'll see two tabs, Create and Configure. Tap Configure. This is where you fine-tune your GPT's personality and knowledge. Let's walk through what you can do here. First, you'll see its name, description, and instructions. You can update those anytime. Try adjusting the tone or the types of answers you want. For example, I want this GPT to be friendly, concise, and focus on practical advice. Scroll down and you'll see conversation starters, little buttons that appear when someone opens your GPT. They help people know what to ask. Add a few that match your GPT's purpose, like plan a week's meals for a vegan diet. It's a great way to guide new users should you decide to share your GPT. You can pause this video while you add a button or two. Give it a try. Below that, you'll find Knowledge. This is where your GPT can learn from things you already use, like notes, recipes, or budgets. You don't need to upload anything right now, but here's what works really well. Let's say you've got a list of your favorite meals in your Notes app, or maybe you track your grocery budget in a spreadsheet. You can add those here later, and your GPT will use them to give better answers. This knowledge becomes part of the GPT. It doesn't forget. It's like giving it a reference library, and it always knows where to look. Want to remove something later? Just come back here. Tap the little X next to any file to delete it. Your GPT stops using it right away. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see a section called Actions. This lets your GPT use tools, like web search or third-party APIs. If you're just getting started, you can skip that part for now. We'll come back to it in a future tutorial. So don't worry about filling everything in perfectly. Just tweak one thing, add one line, or upload one simple file. That's how your GPT becomes your expert, one step at a time. In the next video, we'll learn how to share your GPT with family, friends, or even the world. You've built it, you've refined it. Now, it's ready to share. Maybe you know someone who could use what you've built. Or maybe you're ready to put it out into the world. Start by opening your GPT that you created. Tap the arrow next to its name. Then select Edit GPT. Go ahead and pause the video while you catch up. Click the Share button, currently found in the upper right part of your screen. There are three options: Only Me, Anyone with the link, and Public. Choose Anyone with the link if you're not quite ready to go public. Just a reminder, only people with the link can access it. You can update the name or description anytime. Copy your link. Then tap Save. That's it. Now it's ready for someone else to use. Now just send that link that you copied to anyone you think that could use it. But it's still yours. You stay in control. Your assistant can now help someone else, just like it helps you. One click, one assistant, your way. Coming up, how to prompt your GPT to create. From glowing images to helpful writing, you now have a solid understanding of what GPTs are. You're more advanced than most people you know. Let's use your knowledge to have some fun. To draw, switch back to ChatGPT. Just go to the home screen and open a new chat. Then try this. Type in, draw a dog in a wizard hat. Hit enter and wait. Pause the video while you do it. I'll wait. Want better results? Add a little detail. You can add lots of direction, like a style. You can make it vintage, crayon, hyper-realistic, whatever you want. You speak to GPTs like a person. Type something like, "Can you make it Disney style?" and see what changes. Pause again to give it a shot. Congratulations! You just became an AI prompt artist. You gave instructions and turned them into images. That's the heart of prompting. You are the creative director. Next up, we'll show you how to turn your GPT into a personal image studio, starting with your own action figure. See you there. Let's turn you into an action figure. We'll take a photo of you, then we'll style it, package it, and name it. Before we start, go take a full-body photo of yourself. Stand in a clear, open spot facing the camera. No filters, just you. Make sure the photo is saved on the same device you're using ChatGPT on, ideally a computer. You'll upload that photo to ChatGPT in the next step. Pause the video while you get that set up. To upload, click the plus icon in the message bar. Select Upload from Computer. Find the photo you saved, then tap Open. Next, in the chat bar, type, "Make this person into a superhero-style action figure with my accessories, name, and favorite colors." Show it inside clear plastic toy packaging. Pause the video or go back if you want to hear that again. ChatGPT will ask you a few relevant questions to personalize your action figure. What accessories do you want? What name should go on the package? What are your favorite colors? Action pose? Answer in one message. Include all the details you want. Pause again while you enter your details. Now watch it generate your personalized action figure. With the colors, name, gear you chose, your own toy. If the action figure doesn't look exactly like you, there's a reason. ChatGPT isn't trying to copy your face. That's on purpose. There are ethical guardrails in place to prevent AI from duplicating real people too closely. It's a safety choice, not a technical limit. So instead of aiming for a perfect match, think of your action figure as a stylized version, shaped by your words, colors, and details. That way it's still you, just in your own superhero style. If it looks off, or you want to change things, you can always update the pose, switch accessories, or tweak the packaging. Just ask ChatGPT. Want it to look even more like you? Say things like, "Use my hairstyle," "add glasses," or "pose with arms crossed like a superhero." You're learning how to speak in images. Every word you add helps guide the result, just like a real designer. You just designed a collectible, using only your words and one photo. Want to make more? Just upload another image and start again. Drawing in ChatGPT isn't just for fun. You can use it to explore logo ideas, test app layouts, sketch posters, or visualize product packaging. All just by describing what you need. Next up, reimagine your space. We'll show you how to use a photo of your home to test out new furniture, color palettes, even exterior styles. You've learned how to draw, design, and even build a GPT. Now let's take it in a new direction. By reimagining your space. Using just a photo of your room, you'll test new furniture, try out color palettes, or even restyle the outside of your house. We'll upload one photo. Then we'll describe the kind of changes we want and let ChatGPT visualize it for us. Start by taking a photo of a space you'd like to update, a living room, bedroom, office, anything you'd like to rethink. Pause the video while you get a reference picture and upload it to your computer. Back in ChatGPT, open a new chat. Click the plus icon in the message bar and upload your photo. You can pause the video whenever you see the pause icon to keep up with the tutorial. Now describe what you want. Try something like, redesign this room in modern Japanese style with soft woods and neutral colors. It might ask you a few questions about what you want. Answer them and let it generate. You'll see a new version of your space. Same layout, new mood. Want to try another style? Just follow up with a new prompt. Now make it cozy Scandinavian with warm lighting and textures. Now try something for fun. Type, now make it a colorful tropical cabana. You can even do this with house exteriors. Try a photo from somewhere outside and say, redesign this in Mediterranean style with white walls and blue trim. So, you may be asking, why do this? It's not just for fun. You're actually prototyping ideas without buying a thing or paying a designer. Don't need a full makeover? Ask for simple changes like new wall colors or furniture layouts. Every prompt is a new sketch. Save what you like. Change what you don't. You're learning how to shape space just by describing it. Want to stay realistic? Add limits. Try typing this. Keep the existing furniture, but update everything else in Japanese minimalist style. This is AI design prototyping. It's fast, it's visual, and it starts with your words. Coming up, wondering if it's safe to upload personal photos? We'll walk through exactly how image uploads work and what ChatGPT does with your pictures. You've probably wondered, is it really safe to upload personal photos into ChatGPT? Today, we'll answer that and help ease any concerns you might have. The short answer is yes. Uploading photos into ChatGPT is private and secure. And we'll show you how that works, step by step. When you upload a photo, it goes straight into your conversation. That means only you and the AI see it, no one else. ChatGPT doesn't store your image forever. It processes the image to answer your question, and then it's gone. Your image isn't used to train AI models. It's not saved in a public library. It stays private. Yes, you're always in control. You can delete the image or the whole conversation anytime. And once it's gone for good. Of course, use common sense. Don't upload anything you wouldn't want on the internet. No sensitive ID cards, no private medical scans. Treat ChatGPT like a trusted assistant, but not a lockbox. Image understanding is getting better, but it's not perfect. ChatGPT can describe, analyze, or brainstorm from a photo, but always double-check results before making decisions. Photos you upload are private to your chat. They're not stored, not shared, and not used to train AI. And you can delete them anytime. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at how ChatGPT memory works and how it helps or doesn't when it comes to personalization. See you there. Memory in ChatGPT helps it remember things you've told it, like your name, your preferences, or what you're working on. But what exactly does it remember and when? Memory starts turned off. You decide when to turn it on. When it's available, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to enable it, and nothing is saved unless you agree. Once it's on, ChatGPT tells you whenever it remembers something new with a message like updated memory. To find your memory settings, click your profile icon. Then choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Personalization tab. There, you'll find the Memory section, where you can turn memory on or off and manage what it remembers. It remembers things like your name, your favorite writing style, and goals you've shared. This makes chats more personal and saves you from repeating yourself. But it doesn't remember your photos, your files, or anything outside the chat. It's focused only on what you've typed and what you've agreed to let it keep. You can view your memory anytime. Just open Settings, then Memory. There you'll see what it remembers and you can update or remove anything. Want to turn it off completely? You can do that anytime with one tap. When memory is off, it forgets everything and nothing is saved. With memory on, ChatGPT becomes more helpful, especially across long projects or recurring tasks. But you stay in control. It's always your choice. If your memory is on, try this. Tell ChatGPT something you'd like it to remember. For example, "My name is Jamie, and I like my responses short and casual." Go ahead and pause this video while you type. You should see a message confirming it's been saved. If you want to undo that, just say, "Undo that last saved memory." You'll see that the saved memory has been updated again. That's how ChatGPT memory works. It's private, useful, and totally up to you. Try it out, or explore without it. Either way, you are in charge. And if you've made it this far in our tutorial series, well done. You're learning how to use these tools thoughtfully, and that's something worth celebrating. Next up, prompt like a pro. We'll show you how to talk to ChatGPT in a way that gets clearer, more useful results, fast. You've learned the basics of prompting. Now let's level up. Different goals call for different styles, and that's what we'll cover today. Use ChatGPT as a writing partner. You can ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about a subject, or cut and paste something and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it for clarity. Need to learn something? Ask it to teach. Say, "Explain like I'm new to this," or "Break this into steps." Planning a trip? Starting a project? ChatGPT can structure it. You can ask ChatGPT to help me plan my week, or "What should I do first?" The more it knows about you, the better it can cater the answers. Get fresh ideas fast. No more racking your brain. You can try things like, "Give me 5 ideas for a party theme," or "Help me name this project." ChatGPT can play a role to help you think. Try asking it to act like a travel guide or pretend you're a job coach. ChatGPT will respond with some ideas to get the conversation going in its new role. Didn't get the result you hoped for? Try a follow-up. You can ask ChatGPT direct questions like, "Why didn't this work?" or "Try again with more detail." If you're using a custom GPT, your prompt works with its personality. You don't need to explain much, just guide it. Tell ChatGPT this: "Act as a debate coach. Help me argue both sides of," and insert whatever topic you'd like. ChatGPT can help you to be more professional. Try asking it, "Help me write a polite email that still gets results." The more you vary your prompt style, the better ChatGPT adapts. Write, teach, plan, or imagine. Just ask it like a partner. Up next, how to use Canvas, your space to draft, edit, and guide your assistant's thinking. Canvas is where you build. It's like having a long, scrollable document. Use Canvas when a single chat gets too messy. Or you're making something that needs editing, saving, or sharing. If you ever say, "Let's organize this," that's your moment. Move it to Canvas. It's perfect for tutorials, scripts, prompt libraries, or docs with multiple sections. Anything structured. Canvas isn't for fast back and forth. It's not great for tiny tasks or random questions. Use Chat for those. Start in Chat. Move to Canvas when your idea needs space. Use headings. Keep each doc focused. This whole tutorial, built in Canvas. It let us organize narration, visuals, and polish before recording. Try it. Start a new document. Give it a name like Idea Draft or Prompt Library. Then just type. To get started, just type, "Open in Canvas." You've learned how and when to use Canvas. And now you've got a powerful new way to think, plan, and create. Canvas helps you go from chatting to creating. It's your space to think longer, build smarter, and save your work. You did it. You made it all the way through. You've learned how GPTs work, how to use them, build them, train them, and even share them. At the core of it all, you've built knowledge. Not just tips or tricks, real understanding. That's not just ChatGPT knowledge, it's LLM knowledge. And LLM stands for Large Language Model. That's what ChatGPT is. So the skills you've built here, they transfer. You now understand the language, the logic, and the rhythm behind all of it. Now, you're not just using AI, you understand it. If you like this tutorial, you might enjoy the next one. Advanced ChatGPT. Same calm, clear style. Subscribe to the channel to get notified. And thank you for spending your time with us. You've learned a lot. You've earned this feeling. See you soon.